Yo, you already know who it is. It's 5 seconds of Banana Heart Summer. I got my first paycheck, 4 pesos or more to collect. Get hired by Vivi, and I'll make my fam proud. Just you see, off to get the candies, love you chocolates and good sweets. They're such a delight for real, especially those fat and thin seeds. I'm on the road to be the best cook I can be. I'm on the road to feed my giant family. Oh, but when I got home, a sad, sad thing happened to me. My parents were mad, but they made me adobo and I was mind blown. Then I remembered the history of my family. Mother ran away with dad and her life changed drastically. I'm on the road to be the best cook I can be. I'm on the road to feed my giant family. There's a lot of people around that I can learn many lessons from, like Boy Hapon and his garden in the town, experiences through lively sound by Basilio, Mr. Alano's hum will get me very far and well renowned.